In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Elementor. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own WordPress site, even if you're not very familiar with Elementor yet. By the end, your header will blend seamlessly over your page content, which is perfect for hero images or clean modern layouts. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You should see an option labeled Elementor. Hover your mouse over Elementor to reveal its sub-menu. From those options, choose the Editor item. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can manage and edit your site's design. When the Elementor interface loads, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the main site editor, where your global parts like headers and footers are managed. Inside the editor, find your header section. Usually, this is the area at the very top of your page that contains your logo and navigation menu. Click directly on that header section or widget. Once you click it, its settings panel will appear on the left side of the screen. In that left panel, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Advanced tab. This tab controls spacing, background, and other layout-related settings. Scroll down within the Advanced tab until you see the Background section. Click on Background to expand the options underneath it. Within the background settings, look for the color option. Next to the word color, you'll see a small globe icon and a color swatch. Click on the color swatch. This opens the color picker where you would usually choose a solid background color. Instead of selecting a new color, look for the clear or reset icon inside the color picker. Click that clear icon. This removes the background color from your header section. As soon as you do this, your header should become transparent, allowing the content or background image behind it to show through. Take a moment to preview your page and make sure everything is readable. If your text or logo becomes hard to see, you may want to adjust their colors so they stand out on the new transparent background. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Update or Publish, depending on whether this is an existing header or a new one. This saves your changes and applies the transparent header to your site.